Although WordPress.com seems like a no-brainer choice for building a WordPress website, it might be more restrictive than it looks at first glance. There is a forever free plan, but you can't do much nor have access to as many themes as you may want. On top of that, you can't even use plugins until you opt for the business plan. Who should choose WordPress.com? Individuals and small businesses that don't have complex needs. Featured partners. Advertisement. Hosting. The easiest option. Starts at $2.49 per month. 1. Fail-proof setup. 2. Great for beginners. 3. Free AI tools. Learn more. Bluehost. For new WordPress sites. Starts at $2.95 per month. 1. Guided onboarding. 2. Recommended by WordPress. 3. 24/7 support. Learn more. HostGator. Best security and scalability. Starts at $3.75 per month. 1. All types of hosting. 2. Enhanced security tools. 3. Affordable as you grow. Learn more. WordPress.com pros and cons. Although WordPress.com is a popular choice as an all-in-one solution website builder and web host, it may only work for a few select groups. It's an affordable choice, and it even offers a free plan, but it lacks a lot of functionality to be a suitable option for growing businesses or serious e-commerce entrepreneurs. What we like about WordPress.com. 1. Web hosting included. WordPress.com lets you build a website on the popular WordPress.org CMS, but you don't have to find your own hosting. This is a huge plus for those who want a turnkey solution for a personal or business website. 2. Accept payments. I was a bit surprised to see I could accept payments even on the personal plan. It's one of the cheapest website builders that lets you make money with your website. 3. Popular freemium plan. I had my own WordPress.com blog back in the day, and the good news is, you can still get a free hosted website. There are limits, but if all you need is a place to share photos or stories, WordPress.com's free plan works. 4. Simple to use and maintain. I've used a lot of website builders, and WordPress.com is one of the easiest to use. There's nothing to install or maintain. WordPress.com has the CMS pre-installed and ready to use. Plus, it automatically updates the software for you. 5. Jetpack Essentials. Every plan includes Jetpack Essentials, which is a pack of features that help you add functionality to your site. You can add different types of photo galleries, set up automatic backups, add a contact form, and display a block with your business hours, for example. 6. Decent customer support. I appreciate that the WordPress.com team updates its blog and platform often, which is a big part of support. There are multiple articles in the Help Center, so you can find most answers to your questions.